ancient times, tea plays predominant role as a refreshing drink in daily life. It is the second most heavily consumed drink on the planet after water. Drinking tea will refresh and gives energy to your mind and body. Tea is one drink that has more varieties than any beverages. Let us know about two types of teas that promotes weight loss. Turmeric tea. Take a bowl and add 1 glass of water. Turn on stove and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Mix the contents well by stirring it occasionally. Now close the lid and allow the water to simmer for 10 minutes. While simmering, let me share its benefits. One of the ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric main ingredient is curcumin. Curcumin gives turmeric yellow color and has anti-inflammatory and immune boosting properties. Turmeric prevents fat accumulation and fastens weight loss. It avoids further weight gain and helps to manage weight. Next ingredient is black pepper. Black pepper contains bioactive compound called piperine. Piperine enhances the absorption of curcumin by 2000% and improves metabolism by promoting weight loss. However, adding piperine is mandatory for weight loss benefits because turmeric alone cannot work in weight reduction. Pepper is high in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. It also treats cold and cough and fight against infections. Ginger effectively works in diluting stored fat and fastens weight loss. After 10 minutes, turn off the stove and pour turmeric tea to a cup and enjoy all the goodness of turmeric, pepper and ginger. These three ingredients are easily available and holds the ability to do magic if they taken in combination. So let us drink twice a day for better results. Next one, green tea. Required ingredients: mint leaves, coriander leaves and tulsi leaves. Add all three ingredients into blending jar and grind them. Now to the boiling water add this fine mixture and stir it occasionally. After stirring, allow the water to simmer for 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes are completed, strain it and pour it to a cup and enjoy the essence of mint leaves, coriander and tulsi leaves. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel.